Hey guys, Jake here again. Really quick, we get a lot of questions on what it takes to set a machine up, how long, what's all involved. It's really simple, and we want to show you that here today and just kind of do a quick walkthrough and things to check for. So as we unhook the processor from wherever we're going to be at, we want to try and get our tires on a level surface, so we're at least starting with a good base. And then from there, once we've unhooked our safety chains and light connection, and we have our jack deployed, we'll simply come over here. We want the machine to be as level, both side to side and front to rear, as possible. If anything, maybe having the machine lean back just a little bit doesn't hurt anything. So we'll set our support leg here on this side right away. I'll come over here to the jack, just let it down a little bit so that they're both supporting, or I have some weight on either side or either leg. Once I've done that, I can come here, pull my clevis pins for my deck legs. We'll carry these around with us. Set either one right up here in the trough. So I've done that. I can grab my leg here. Sometimes you have to lift just a little bit to get that pin to line up to go through. One thing we try to do is orient the handle so that it's horizontal or parallel with the deck leg, and that'll just keep us from, when we're setting logs on there, keep those handles from busting off. So just kind of a thing that we keep in mind. I think we mentioned it in the operator's manual as well, just to orient those that direction so that we don't set a log on there and bust them off right away. And then as far as deck leg support, we'll drop that guy, and then we can get a little bit of adjustment here depending what way we need to go. I think I can actually get up there to where I can get this pretty level, and so I'm bearing weight. This side we've dropped already. Main deck leg, again, I'll pull the pin, stand back, and allow that to drop. I'm lined up right there, and start to finish on this one. Just like that. If I open this valve here, we'll run my elevator up and down. So now, with that stroked all the way out, so you'll see, I have to go all the way up with the wedge, and once that cylinder strokes all the way out, I then raise my elevator. So once I get my elevator to my desired height, I shut my valve, and then what I will do is I will come back down here, with our safety chains in place. And I have a jack leg here that will support the elevator, or the weight of it, when it's in operating position. And I can just spring that guy right down, put this back in place. And again, this is designed just to take the weight off the elevator, allow it to have something to sit on during operation. So once we have that jack leg set up, I can actually take my safety chains and toss these off to the side. Not in our way. Can remove them and put them in the toolbox if I like. We are now essentially ready to load logs onto the machine and start to make firewood. So just kind of want to walk through basic setup. If we want to utilize the seat, we can simply pull the pin on the receiver and pull that out, and then that seat will swivel for us as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you.